Stop before you use that body spray or reheat your leftovers in plastic. Did you know some of the most common items in your home could be harming your health daily? But don't worry, I've got natural swaps that are safer, cheaper, and way better for you. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we believe natural is best. Let's dive into 10 everyday products you should toss today and what to use instead. Number 1. Antiperspirant deodorant. Most store brands contain aluminum, which clogs your sweat glands and may be linked to health concerns like breast cancer and Alzheimer's. Use this instead. Try a natural deodorant with baking soda, magnesium, or bentonite clay. You can even make your own. Number 2. Plastic food containers. When heated, they release BPA and phthalates, which are hormone disruptors. Use this instead. Switch to glass containers. They're safer and last longer. 3. Scented candles. I know, they smell amazing, but most use paraffin wax and synthetic fragrance, which release toxins like toluene and benzene. Try beeswax or soy candles with natural essential oils for a cozy vibe without the toxic load. 4. All-purpose cleaners. They often contain ammonia, bleach, and artificial fragrances, a recipe for respiratory irritation. Use this instead. Mix vinegar, lemon, and essential oils for a DIY cleaner that smells fresh and actually works. Check out our video on how to make these all-natural cleaners here. 5. Body lotion. Parabens, pegs, and artificial fragrances? No thanks. Use this instead. Moisturize with coconut oil, shea butter, or aloe vera gel. Your skin and hormones will thank you. 6. Dryer sheets. They leave behind a waxy coating made with quaternary ammonium compounds, linked to asthma and skin irritation. Use this instead. Use wool dryer balls with a drop of lavender oil, natural and reusable. 7. Antibacterial soap. It usually contains triclosan, which can mess with your thyroid and contribute to antibiotic resistance. Use this instead. A mild Castile soap or handmade herbal bar cleanses without stripping your skin. 8. Non-stick pans. Those slick surfaces are often coated in PTFE or PFOA, which release toxic fumes when heated. Use this instead. Go for cast iron, ceramic, or stainless steel. Non-toxic, and your food tastes better. 9. Plug-in air fresheners and sprays. They mask odors with phthalates and VOCs, which can mess with hormones and air quality. Use this instead. Simmer cinnamon sticks in citrus peels, or use a diffuser with essential oils. Natural and customizable. 10. Shampoo. Most commercial shampoos are packed with sulfates, parabens, and silicones. Use this instead. Look for organic, sulfate-free shampoos, or try a herbal hair rinse with rosemary or nettle. You don't need to overhaul your entire life in one day, but replacing just a few of these items can seriously reduce your toxin exposure and help your body thrive. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural living tips, and comment below. Which item are you going to swap first? Want my full list of natural swaps? Grab the free checklist in the description below.